Okay, I think we should open it up and see what's all inside. All right, you ready? Wow! Do you see all of that Pez in there? Ooh, what else is in there? Hi guys! Look at this awesome, cool Pez microwave we have today. There's so much Pez in it too. Okay, I think we should open it up and see what's all inside. All right, you ready? Wow! Do you see all of that Pez in there? Ooh, what else is in there? We found Rubble from Paw Patrol with his cute yellow hat. We also have Sky. She has her cute pink little goggles she uses to fly her helicopter. Let's see who else is in here. We have Chase. He has his cute, his cute police hat. Let's see who else. There's a few more in here. Look, here's Rocky. He has his cute green baseball cap. He always holds up that one paw. Let's see who else. Here's Zuma. He has his orange helmet on, and he likes to sit down. And look, we have one more. This is Marshall, and he has his red firefighter helmet on. Cute. Let's make sure we have enough room here for all of our Paw Patrol. And here's our microwave with all this Pez. Okay, pull all that Pez out. Make sure we can close the door good. There we go. And now, let's do some magic with this microwave. Like, look. Let's start with Marshall. Boop, boop, boo-doo-doo. So we're gonna put Marshall in there. And we have to add a couple Pez's. Let's add this Pez. Boop. Okay, are you ready? We're gonna close it. And we're gonna use our favorite button. Our favorite button is the pizza button. It's our favorite button. So let's press that and see what happens. Oh my goodness! Look what we got from Marshall and Pez. We got Owlette. Oh, look how cute she is. She has her cute pink insides of her little wings and then red on the outside. She has little pink in places. Oh, look how cute. She has brown eyes. Oh, well, that's what we got from Marshall. Let's see, let's do that again. But this time, let's use Zuma. Let's put Zuma in there. And ooh, look. Let's use some orange. Let's use some orange Pez. Boop. All right, with our favorite button. Here we go. Oh my goodness, look what Zuma turned into. Oh my goodness, look, Zuma turned into an orange dinosaur. What on earth? Look at all those horns. It looks like a triceratops. That's so funny. Alright, well there's our orange. We got red from Marshall and orange from Zuma. Let's see, who should we do next? How about Rubble? We can go in rainbow order. So Rubble's next. And let's use some yellow Pez. It's lemon flavored. Okay, you ready? Pizza button, here we go. Oh my goodness, what is that spinning in there? Something A yellow round thing? What is that? Oh my goodness, look, it's a cute little duck. Quack. It's a little duck, little bobble kind of spinny thing. That's really funny. Well, there's our yellow thing. Let's see, what do we have after yellow? We have green. So let's put green in there. And let's see, what color should we do? How about we do orange and yellow? That'll be cool. Boop. All right, here we go with Rocky and our pizza button. Oh my god, what? Ooh, we got another dinosaur. This one's green, just like Rocky. He's a little more scary looking. Let's put him back here by our other dinosaur. Okay, look, we have 2 Paw Patrol left. So let's do Chase next. He's blue. So let's use some purple Pez in there with him. Are you ready? Pizza button, here we go. Oh my, look at that. We got a Chase Pez dispenser from Chase. Okay, should we see what's inside? It's Pez, look. Pez, Pez. Oh my goodness. Look at all these Pez. Nice, that's a fun surprise. Okay, we only have 1 Paw Patrol left, and it's Sky. So we're gonna put raspberry pink Pez in with Sky. All right, with our pizza button. Yay, look, here's our last surprise. It's Sky as a Pez dispenser. And it looks like she has Pez. Nice. Okay, let's look at everything we got. We got Owlette from PJ Masks. Whoops. We got this funny orange dinosaur, this yellow duck, a green dinosaur, Pez dispenser Chase, and Pez dispenser Sky. Those are some awesome surprises we found. All right, say bye to everyone. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh my goodness. What is that? What? Look at all the Paw Patrol that fell out. Hi guys, look what we have today. We have the magic microwave. So why don't we go ahead and open it up and see what we can do with it today. All right, here we go. Oh my goodness. What is that? What? Look at all the Paw Patrol that fell out. We have Zuma and Rocky and Marshall and Chase and Sky and Rubble. Look, we got all the Paw Patrol and they're all cowboys and Sky's a cowgirl. That's so funny. Okay, let's get started. Let's start with Sky. Sky's her cute little cowgirl. All right, Sky, let's see what's gonna happen today. Let's go ahead and press the chicken button. Here we go. What is that? Sky, what happened? I'm a dinosaur now. I like it. Yeah, you're a dinosaur. Oh my goodness, what are you going to do about it? Run around and eat stuff? Okay then. Who wants to go next? I do. All right, Rubble. There's our funny little Rubble cowboy. Let's put him in the microwave and see what he's going to turn into. Here we go. We're gonna press the chicken drumstick again. Oh my gosh. Rubble turned into a dinosaur too. Look, this one has spikes all over. Ooh. Rah! Now we have 2 dinosaurs so far. All right, let's keep going. Zuma, you're next. Look how cute he is in his fun little cowboy outfit. All right, Zuma, let's go. Drumstick button. Oh my goodness, look what Rubble turned into. He turned into a dinosaur too. But he's a T-Rex. Oh my goodness, that's the craziest dinosaur ever. Ah! You just stay over there, Rubble. And let's do Rocky next. Rocky, look at your cute cowboy outfit. Look, he has his cute little bandana and his cowboy hat with his ears poking out. That's cute. He's always green. So let's click our little drumstick button. Oh my goodness, look, Rocky turned into a dinosaur too. But look, he's green too. Good thing they stayed their same colors so we know who's who. Huh, Rocky? Okay then. Oh my goodness, okay. We have 2 Paw Patrol left. So now, let's do Marshall. Huh, Marshall? Whoa. Yeah, Marshall. Marshall's red. And he's a really cute cowboy. Oh, look what Marshall did. Of course, he turned into another dinosaur, but look. He's a Triceratops. Oh my goodness. He's a cute red dinosaur. And he's red, so we know it's Marshall. Alrighty then. Let's put him up front so you can see him. Okay, we have 1 left. Chase, you're the last one. Let's see when we push his button. Ooh, he's ready to go. All right, let's put Blue Chase in the microwave. Of course, he turned into a dinosaur too. And he's blue. Look, we can put our dinosaurs in a fun little rainbow order. Look, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and pink. Look at all of our funny dinosaurs we got. Paw Patrol, I hope you're gonna have fun with all your dinosaurs. Oh, we will. All right, bye, Sky. Bye, Chase. Bye, Rocky. Bye, Rubble. Bye, Zuma. See you later, guys. Bye, Marshall. Say bye.
Bye-bye.